I've been doing for the last week to kind of de-stress.
Allie has been crocheting a couple of reusable grocery bags because we don't want to keep using those cheap plastic ones that always end up getting thrown away. But these bags will cut down how many of those bags we accumulate.
Especially with like sharp edges that poke through and heavy objects that you can't really carry and you have to double bag anyways. And so my goal is to make 6 of these. At least.
Sorry, I made a bad suggestion. To explain why you're doing this.
Oh, well, I don't have enough of the purple color to finish entirely in purple. So, like, I just didn't want to like continue in another color because I thought it would look weird. And then Jeff suggested to do some sort of pattern. But like with the amount of yarn that I have left in this color, it wouldn't have looked good. It would have looked pretty weird. So what I'm doing is unraveling the last hour of work to incorporate a pattern that actually looks good with some other leftover yarn that I have. So I'm just trying to use what we have instead of spending more money to get more. So reuse, recycle, repurpose, whatever. So I got halfway done and now I have to start over.
You're not starting over. You did a lot of the more intricate stuff already. Now it's just the
mindless stuff.
lattice work that goes quickly.
Yeah. Like my head's hurting. Just like kind of watching this for like an hour straight. My head hurts. This is supposed to be relaxing, right? No, it is. My eyes are just out of focus.
She's doing this all with just kind of like leftover pieces of the yarn she has. We're not really going out and buying more yarn for this. It's just reused. She's got a big supply of like things that are left over from other projects, and we want to use them now for this. Hey, these bags are awesome.
Are you willing to sport them in grocery store?
Yeah. I'm not going to walk around with them on my shoulder, but I'll put them in the cart and fill them up as we leave.
You do have to pull them out in front of everyone.
It works. It'll be really good. And it's better than just a plastic bag. It's not going to break.
Yeah. Luckily, you're cheap enough and low maintenance where it won't affect your psyche to do this.
I'm proud of you for making these. It'll keep us from having like a whole cupboard full of plastic bags that we never end up using. Is it done?
It's mostly done. I'm still weaving in the end so it doesn't come undone.
That looks good with the 2 colors, babe.
Yeah.
I'm sorry that I made you redo half of it.
Maybe do the 2 colors.
But I hope you're happier with the result.
It looks good.
Good.
Okay. I'm just gonna call that good. Well done.
Grocery bag number 2. Or as Ezio calls them, pants.
Does he have a name for it, or is it like addressed to him?
Well, he climbed in one and used them as pants. So.
Yeah, I know. So now they don't have to fight over one, and they can each have one.
Lovely.
It's really stretchy. So it'll hold a lot. Now to get another one. Start on number 3.
Woo! 9 o'clock and all is well. That's another quote.
I know. I'm silencing.
That's the old Robin Hood cartoon.
That's obscure.
Yeah, I know. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you'll like it and subscribe to our channel so you can watch future videos. And you can check out our other channel over at What Makes Us Our Home. And hopefully we see you on the next video.